Hello. You want to find the value of a if a factorial raised by a factorial is equals to 60 roots of 6 raised by 360. Now, let's recall. Let's start from the left. I mean, from the right. Let's start from the right. We recall that according to the law of indices and roots, if I have a roots x raised by b, we can have it as what? X raised by b all over a. I hope you remember that. According to the law of indices, this a root x raised by b can be written as the base, then the power here, the exponents, and this root will now be the what? The denominator of the what? The fractional exponent. So we can now write this as a will be 60, x is now 6, b is what? 360. So we can now write this one will now become what? Will now become 6 raised by 360 all over 60. I hope you got that. Yes. Okay. So that will give us what? 6. This cancels this. 6 in 36, we have 6. 6 now raised by 6. Okay. So that means that the a factorial raised by a factorial is now what? 6 raised by 6. Now, comparing the bases, a factorial is equals to 6, the exponent a factorial is equals to 6. So we can say that a factorial is equals to 6. And so, how do we write 6 in form of a factorial? So we can say that a factorial is equal to what? 3 factorial. Because 3 factorial will give us 6. That is 3 times 2 times 1. That is 3 factorial. That gives us 6. So now, since a factorial is equal to 3 factorial, obviously, even using the concept of the law of indices, the factorial here, we cancel the factorial here. So that implies what? A is equals to what? 3. So if you do the same thing for the basis, we have done this, we have solved the exponent, and since the exponent and the basis are the same thing, a factorial is equals to 6, a factorial is equals to 6. So it means that whether you use the basis as or you use the exponent, a is still going to be what? It's going to be 3. So in this question, a is equal to 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video with the explanation here, kindly give it a thumb up, share with your peers, your colleagues, your friends, neighbors, and don't forget, like and comment. Like and comment. From your comments, your comment will ginger us to produce more videos. Your comment will spur us into more actions to bring to you concepts, ideas that will elevate your mathematics skills. Stay blessed. God bless you. Bye.